Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at IREN Limited. This is ticker IREN. Now, IREN is a stock that I just recently started paying attention to because just in the past couple of days, it's been battling with the 50-day moving average. Now, as you can see, it broke out of some longer term consolidation, this downward sloping trend line of resistance, couldn't get above, using the 21 day as resistance. Every time it hits the 21 day, sellers slam it back down. And then it started to firm up at the beginning of the year, finally got above the 8 day and 21 day, and then consolidated for a few days, and now is spending its second day back above the 50-day moving average. So I think that there's certainly some price momentum to follow on this stock, and I think it's one that's worth watching. Now, if I remove this line here, I actually see a bit of a cup formation forming, where we have the stock just kind of cupping and potentially running back up to this near-term resistance level at around 76. And so I would look for IREN to follow this path, draw a cup up to resistance. And so I think you can certainly own this stock right here, right now, as long as it holds above the 50-day moving average. And if it does hold above the 50-day moving average, I think you want to try and be long this stock for a potential cup reversal up to around $74, $75, something like that. Now, I probably wouldn't wait till it got to 76, 77. I think you're probably going to get some resistance up there. But if it can chew through some near-term resistance from back here in November, I certainly think this has a potential to revisit some of those highs from 2025. So that's just one of many stocks we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com and our sister service, Crypto Market Mentor. If you're interested in learning about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets, be sure and check out Crypto Market Mentor. It's part of StockMarketMentor.com. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Scott. I'll see you next time.